In the late 20th century, as humanity gazed upon the vast expanse of the cosmos, a daring venture was conceived. The Voyager missions, a pair of spacecraft, were designed to delve deeper into the unknown than ever before, to venture where no human probe had gone before. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were equipped with powerful instruments to study the outer solar system. They were the offspring of a collaboration between NASA, JPL, and Caltech, born out of curiosity and a desire to expansion. As they traversed the solar system, they witnessed the grandeur of the planets. Voyager 1, the first to reach Jupiter, observed the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself. Voyager 2, on the other hand, provided the first detailed images of Uranus and Neptune. However, the true test of the Voyagers lied beyond the planets. As they approached the edge of the solar system, they encountered the heliosheath, a region where the solar wind slows and interacts with the interstellar medium. In 2012, Voyager 1 made history by becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. It sent back data about the cosmic rays and magnetic fields that characterized this alien environment. Voyager 2 followed suit in 2018, providing further insights into this mysterious realm. Both spacecraft continue their journey, carrying the golden record, a message from humanity, into the vast unknown. The Voyager missions have left an indelible mark on humanity's understanding of the cosmos. They have shown us the wonders of our own backyard and opened the door to the mysteries that lie beyond. As they continue their journey, they serve as a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge.